50 commonly used sentences in daily life, categorized for various contexts. General greetings and responses. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you doing? 3. I'm doing great, thank you. 4. Nice to meet you. 5. See you later. 6. Take care. 7. Have a nice day. 8. What's up? 9. Long time no see. 10. Bye for now. At home. 11. Can you pass me the remote? 12. I'll do it later. 13. What's for dinner? 14. Don't forget to lock the door. 15. I need to charge my phone. 16. The Wi-Fi isn't working. 17. Have you seen my keys? 18. Can you help me with this? 19. I'll be there in a minute. 20. Time to go to bed. At work or school. 21. Did you finish the report? 22. I'll get it done by tomorrow. 23. Can we reschedule the meeting? 24. Please send me an email. 25. I'll take care of it. 26. What time is the class? 27. Can you explain that again? 28. Let's take a short break. 29. Do you need help with this? 30. When is the deadline? Shopping. 31. How much does this cost? 32. Can I get a discount? 33. Where is the fitting room? 34. Do you accept credit cards? 35. I'm just browsing, thank you. 36. What's your return policy? 37. I'll take this one. 38. Can you wrap this for me? 39. Do you have this in another size? 40. Is this on sale? Social situations. 41. Let's grab a coffee sometime. 42. Do you have any plans for the weekend? 43. Congratulations on your achievement. 44. I hope you feel better soon. 45. That sounds like a great idea. 46. Sorry, I'm running late. 47. Let's take a photo together. 48. I had a wonderful time. 49. Can you send me the details? 50. Thank you for inviting me.